What's up, gang? We up in here. Boom! What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube?
Purchase new tracks today.
Here we go. 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 Hey, yo, yo, yo. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yo. Here we go.
Purchase new tracks today.
Hey yo, Andy, fuck him up real quick.
Purchase new tracks today.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Latoya? What's up, Mr. Soares? What's up, Lamit? What's up, everybody? Let's get it.
Purchase new tracks today.
If you want the algorithm levels, you must cash out. Go to tradewithbruce.com, click algorithm learning. If you pay today, I might give you a discount.
Purchase new tracks.
If you pay today, I'll give you a discount. If you pay today, I'll give you a discount on the algorithm learning. Message me right now for the discount.
Hey yo, Andy, fuck him up real quick.
All right, everybody get into it real quick. Give me the 10 likes real quick. 10 likes, 10 likes. Give me the 10 likes. Give me the 10 likes. Give me the 10 likes. Anna, put the 10 likes. Get the stream started in the chat. Put me the 10 likes. Put me the 10 likes. Put me the 10 likes. Here we go. CEO J, if you want to get the algorithm levels, I'm telling you, that's the last step you ever need if you want to be profitable, bro. That's the last step you're going to ever need if you want to be profitable. Damn, we got to 11 likes. Quick, let's go. I like it. I like it. I like it. Anna, give me the 20 likes and I'll pin it. Let's get it. I love it. Let's get 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 it. Let's go.
Purchase your tracks today.
Here we go. I got you. You've been telling me. CLJ Morgan. Let's get it, bro. You know what to do. Let's get it. I'm telling y'all, check out my website, tradewithbruce.com. Get the algorithm learning. That's how, what am I? 27-2 out of my last 29 trades. You get what I'm saying? So I'm 27-2 out of my last 29 trades. You get what I'm saying? For a reason. Let me pull this down a little bit. Let's see what we're looking like.
Your tracks today.
Ain't even got my rings on. Oh yeah, come on. We got our juice. Don't forget. Let me bust it down real quick. We're going to start the day with the juice, you know what I'm saying? I haven't eaten anything today. I've been fasting, you know what I'm saying? So good. All right, we about to get into it. We about to go over this strategy, see if it's a profit or drop it. Everybody who was on the stream yesterday or seen the replay with my special guest, y'all, I had a special guest on my stream yesterday. Go check the last video to see the special guest. But I had a special guest, right? And we was drinking beet juice. And it gets your tongue so red. That's crazy. It make my teeth look so white that my tongue's so red. You know what I'm saying? Here we go! Boom! Here we go! All right, enough of that music. Yeah, I don't need no beat in the background. I want to give you damn, what was I about to say? Oh, no, what I was about to say. Damn, I forgot. All right, cool, I lost it. I thought I was about to say something cool, but I lost it. What am I drinking? This is beet juice. This is beet juice, brother. Beet juice and some other stuff. Probably just beet, actually. I really don't know. And this was green juice. Cucumber, kale, celery, lemon juice. What else? Green apples, right? And ginger. You know what I'm saying? Dude just messaged me about the algorithm discount right now. He about to get a discount. I just messaged him. So if you want a discount on the algorithm learning, but you must pay today, message me right now. Let's get it. All right, let's talk about the death cross, boy. So the death cross is, y'all, the 50 moving average. So let's go to let's get it, J Rez. Let me pin your comment, man. You litty. Anna, let me get the 30 likes pin. I'll pin that. Anna, give me the 30 likes. Anna, I'll post that. All right, here we go. We're going to search EXPO. We're going to search EXPO. J-Rez, much love for sure, bro. Let's get it. Many more comments. Subscribe, turn on the notifications. Send it to everybody you know, man. Let's get it. All right, if you type in Expo, put in the moving average exponential, right? This is TradingView, right? So this is a web-based chart. Go to tradingview.com, pay for it, or it's free. Some features you have to pay for, so you know what I'm saying? All right, let's get it. So we're gonna click this twice. You click it once. See that comes over here. You don't want to click it 3 times. You only click it twice. All right. Click X, and then we're gonna get rid of one of these. We don't need all of these. We're gonna get rid of that one. All right, let's edit it. So this is the dev cross. This is the 50 EMA crossing the 200 EMA. Got it? Let's look at it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing today, man? Y'all doing it good? Damn, it makes sense. Y'all doing good? If y'all watching and y'all ready to, man, put a 1 in the chat real quick. Put a 1 in the chat if you watching and you ready to, you know what I'm saying? Put a 1 in the chat right now. Let me see, man. Put a 1 in the chat. Let's go. I need to see if y'all watching before I get started. See what kind of crowd we got today. Shout out to Franklin. Shout out to Chris Jackson. Shout out to Anna. Shout out to A. Shout out to Royal. Shout out to Russ. Shout out to Brian. Fuck. Alita, what's up? Shout out to Alita. All right, so we're going to change one of these to the 50, right? We're going to go to the other one and click settings. We're going to change this guy to 200. Latoya in the building. 200. 200, right? Boom. Here is our Lamnick. What's up, man? He in the building. Lamnick. I hope I'm saying it right. Maybe around your question. All right, here we go. Give me the 30 likes, man. I love y'all, man. I love y'all. All right, man. Let's look at it. So we're finna see if this strategy is a profit or drop it. These are all my last trades. Let me get rid of them. I feel like my shit lagging. Are my charts lagging? Shit's moving in slow motion. See that? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Shit's lagging, bro. I don't like that, bro. You feel me, bro? I'll be a reason. Questions. So many questions. So many questions. All right. Moving average strategy. Let's see if we can find. This is the 30-minute chart, right? Is Bitcoin worth getting into? Depends on how you're gonna get into it. Buying and holding it, I wouldn't unless you out here with millions of dollars and 1% pays you 10K. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, trading it on MT4 is okay, but the spread be so big. And I'm really not into it, bro. So I can't tell you something that I don't know about, really. So that's not really my field of expert. Yeah, I need to get the millions up. You feel me? All right, y'all. This is one of my favorite patterns. When the yesterday makes a low, and then a new day opens up, purges it. I call it a purge. Yeah, we make him same money every day, bro. I'll be around you. Questions? All right, here we go. 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 So I like this when they run this, and then I would take the break of structure, right? So I would use the moving average, like this first one, as an entry and take profit to that. You know what I'm saying? J Rez, yeah. Go to VIP Trade Room on my website, tradewithbruce.com. If you want to trade with me and take my trades every day, go to the VIP Trade Room on tradewithbruce.com. Purchase that. Message me on Facebook, Instagram, or Telegram. All of those are on my website. All right, cool. So I will wait for a cross First, this is my confirmation. When I see a liquidity ran, stop losses being hit, and price crosses over, right? I'm expecting price to break this moving average. So you wait for the moving average break right here. So let's say we would look for, right, a break. You take profit at the moving average, right? Wherever the moving average is, that's where you take profit at. And then I'd always put my stop loss. You can either do it like a recent low, but I guess technically you're really supposed to be out here. But when price goes into profit, I go ahead and immediately reduce my risk, right? But immediately your risk is how you place your trade. You know what I'm saying? So people be like, oh, 35 pip stop loss. And then later, oh, we're going to reduce it to 10 pip stop loss. Well, I set my lot size based on 35 pips. You know what I'm saying? So now if we're only risking 10 pips, I might can risk more. You get what I'm saying? So risk is risk. When people talk about, oh, my stop loss, it's bet your stop loss, first entry on your trade, the first entry you take is your risk. Like if you enter a standard and your stop loss is 20 pips, so you know you were gonna lose 200 bucks. So I can't be, this is 20 pips. I can't be like, okay, everybody add your take profit. No, extend your stop loss to 50 pips. I can't do that. That'll blow my account. You know what I'm saying? So when you plan a trade, you gotta know where your stop loss is gonna be before you even place the trade. Got it? That's how you determine what you're risking based on how many pips your stop loss is. So let's say realistic. If I were to put my stop loss right here under the wick, I know for a fact if I lose this trade, I will lose 33 pips. And that's how trading is. You're either going to get in and you're going to lose, or you're going to get in or you're going to profit. That's it. It's two different ways. Or you can break even, whatever you want to call it. So it's technically 3, but it's technically 2. You win or lose. Break even is still a win because you didn't lose. Got it? So when it comes to setting your stop losses and knowing your lot size, you got to know that shit before you place a trade so you can know the max you're going to lose. Okay? And then you'll know the max you're going to win. So I was risking, let's say on one standard, I was risking 338. A standard is $10 per pip. So I'm risking $10 per pip, right? So that's 330 bucks right here. Then that's 360 bucks on the flip side. So it was damn near 1-to-1. I risked 1%. I'm sorry. I risked, 1 to make 1. I risked 330 to make 330. Got it? So that's one way to trade this strategy, but you need confirmation for price to be going up. Don't just wait till price gets here to buy it and think you're going to the next MA, right? This is only for reversals, right? Okay, so that's one way to look at this strategy. Let's go look at the lower time frame. Or let's look at this one too. So right here, price crossed over, right? You expect to pull back to the moving average, but this ain't too sexy unless you start putting some price action with it. You start putting this zone here, you go all the way across, right? Right, so that right there might be a reason to take a trade. So you're pretty much waiting on a break and a pull back to the moving average for a buy entry for it to go up, right? That's kind of plain and simple. So I don't really know where you were enter at besides this algorithm level. You know what I'm saying? If you had this algorithm level, you would use this and wait for a break of structure on the 1 minute chart with a small stop loss to go straight up to your take profit at the high, right? So when you learn these algorithm levels, all this stuff will come together and it'll be super simple. Hey, give me the 30 likes real quick. Give me the 30 likes real quick. Give me the 30 likes real quick, all right? Give me the 30 likes real quick. So this is how trends move, right? Price goes up, down. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, I picked the wrong thing. So uptrend, price goes up, price makes a low. Price pulls back, but doesn't make a high, right? Doesn't make a high, but price makes a new low. Makes a new low, price pulls back to this order block, and then tank. Did it make a new low? So when this makes a new low, did it make a new high? No. So I'm thinking sales right now. right? So I'm thinking sell. So when price breaks down, we're in the downtrend. Then you pull back to our order block, same thing over and over. And then you see a breakout, trend direction, pull back to probably a lower time frame order block up in here, and then break, lower low. So right, so now we're looking for a reason to trade. That's what our moving average is for. So we confirmed that we're going downtrend. So now our moving average is crossed right here. So at this exact moment, our moving average is crossed. So on this big moving average being 250, you don't want to take just any cross because the cross is down here. You really want to wait till the pullback up into the moving average. Just like here, you want to wait for the break, then the pullback to the moving average for the best entry to go back up to the high. So you really want to wait for a pullback to the moving average, stop loss here to go where? Back down to the low. Got it? So boom, let's say a trade like this. So we have our cross. Now we wait for the moving average and we have a confirmation, and we look for a confirmation to take a sell or look for a sell on the lower time frame. Got it? Give me the 30 likes. 30 likes and I'll continue. Pull up and hop on the floor. Likes and I'll continue. 4 people hit the like button and we'll keep going. I'll be back in the morning. We have 27. $28. 30. Boom! That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right, let's get it. 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 All right, so this is what you're looking for. So you wait for the MA cross. Then, you know, on my last streams, I always show y'all go look for a reason for price to drop. You're waiting on the order block. Go look for a reason for price to drop. So I'm seeing this last green candle. I don't want to say colors, but I'm looking for the last candle in the opposite direction that goes before it pushed down and made a new low, right? So I'm looking for this last retracement candle, right? That'll be our order block. So right there, okay? So boom, we have a 30-minute order block. If we're gonna be trading on the 30-minute chart, we're looking for a 30-minute order block, right? So you put a bar all the way across. So we're looking for a sell. So you can either enter the sell right here. On this moving average strategy, you wanna wait till price gets to the moving average, right? And inside of this order block, which is the same area. So now that confirms. And this is actually a couple pips off of an algorithm level. So when you learn the algorithm, this is nothing but an algorithm entry, stop loss, and then an algorithm take profit up in here somewhere. Up in here and then up in here. But when you learn the algorithm, I'm telling you, that should be crystal clear. That's how I'm able to go 27-2 out of my last 29 trades. That's over what, 93%? 94% win rate? Come on. Come on! And I'm doing it live with my people in the VIP trade room. It don't get no better than that. All right, cool. So let's just see. Let's just do a short position right here, right? We're going to sell it right here as soon as price hits our moving average. And then let's see, we take it to the low. 45 pip trade. That's a 2.3 risk to reward ratio. So we risk 1 to make 2.3. Get what I'm saying? So real numbers. We risk 20 pips. So let's say we have one standard. We risk 19 pips. We risk 190 bucks to make what? 440 bucks. Got it? So we risk 1 to make 2.3. Got it? If you with me, put a 1 in the chat. If you with me, put a 1 in the chat. Right? If you with me, put a 1 in the chat. If you with me, put a 1 in the chat. If you with me, put a 1 in the chat. Hey. Now, for those that got balls of steel, I don't. For those that like swing trade, I don't. Shout out to Aaliyah. Shout out to Anna. Shout out to Greg. Shout out to Nino and the thing. Shout out to A. Come on, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. So listen, if you're a swing trader, right? You will always target these lows, you know? I always target these lows, but I'm a day trader, so I always target the day's low, right? I always target that day's low or that day's high when I'm taking a trade. Arch Bates in the building. What's up, man? Nino in the building. What's up, man? Let's get it. So boom. So 2 trades. Trading the bong bong bong. Right? Here's another way you can trade it. I like it like this. You can do it like this. So now we already have our trend direction. It's already a sell. So now we're expecting pullbacks, right? We're expecting pullbacks, but what do? We go down to the lower time frame or or on this time frame. Hold on. J Rez, you just tagged me in a post. But that's not my main page, bro. You just tagged me in a post, but that's not my main page. That's my fan page. So message me. I think you gotta add me as a friend to be able to tag me, bro. So message me on Facebook, bro. Let's talk. All right, let's get it. So there's a couple ways. You wait for the breakout, you wait for the pullback to the moving average, and then you take it to the low, right? That's the first trade. I like being early to the party. No, you good, bro. Just inbox me on my main page, Bruce Webb. But that's also on my website too. Message me on Facebook or message me on Telegram, either one. All right, so boom, boom, boom. So we have this block here. Technically, it's technically a block here. This last green move before it shot down, right? But let's just say we have our pullback. I'm not trading none of this because it's still an uptrend until we get this trend line to break, pretty much. Let's see if we want to do the wicks. This trend line right here, right? So it's still an uptrend on a tiny version scale to go up, right? Break, pull back, break, pull back, break, pull back, break, pull back, break. Oh, break, cool, right? That's how it crashes down. So I would wait to trade this shit at the break of the low. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down, right? Boom. I'm not having my stop loss up there. I'll probably have it like right here. 20. I usually do 25 pips, but it's usually the algorithm level based on whatever range the trade is on. So it really depends. Okay. So let's just say you did a 25 pip stop, 1-to-1. 1-to-1 is 25 pips. That's mad. This is the higher time frame. So that 25 pip shit I do, there's gonna be a lot more pips. That shit went 68 pips. Was it a low over there? No, but it was an order block. I'm asking you questions. Like, what is your goals? Look, if you put this rectangle and go all the way over, watch this. Watch this. See that? That's why it went up. So, I'm putting my targets at these zones, right? I do this on the daily. I do this inside of the daily range. I don't do this on a big scale. You know what I'm saying? I do this on a small scale on the inside of the day. I don't go into the next day's order blocks. I do that inside. So like this block right here would have had me a little scared. So I probably would have waited for it went down and then entered realistically, and then it cashed out, right? Because this order block right here could stop price from going down and then shoot up, break a new high, pull back to it, and take off. But this push up didn't make a new high. So that made this order block not valid. So that's what made me confidently would take a sell on a trade like this. So y'all, we just analyzed all this on a 30-minute chart, right? So we didn't even like go to a 1-minute scalping strategy, like, right? And that was just the last couple days on GU. Yes, this works on any pair. And do you only trade certain things? Yeah, I'm only looking for one or two certain things. Yeah. It's kind of hard to, but yeah, I have criteria for a trade. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got here. What if I click auto? All right. So auto, we're gonna scroll it. We're gonna squeeze it. We're gonna scroll it. We're gonna squeeze it. Now Now I gotta go to the actual day because this is the. Oh, this is today, right? Yeah. This today, right? Yeah. All right, let's get rid of this. Pull this all the way back over there. Take profit was hit over there. All right. All right. All right. Questions. So many questions. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That was that trade from earlier we showed. Let's look at it. So, kind of got to zoom in a little bit. What the heck, trading view? I don't like that. Why can't I zoom in, yo? All right, here we go. Now can I click auto? All right, you want to be early to the party, right? So if I come to the charts and I see all of this still moving down, still moving down, still moving down, still moving down, I'm not gonna keep trading the sell because eventually you're gonna keep trading that shit and it's gonna go against you. So I'm not gonna keep trading it. So when I come to the charts, if it already bounced once or twice, I'm not gonna play with it. I'm usually gonna wait for a new cross, a new direction. And those are usually the trades that bust far, that bust hard, that bust fast. You know what I'm saying? So, oh. All right, so, sheesh. So there's a couple ways we can trade this strategy, bro. The thing is about this strategy is you can trade it a couple ways. I can't make this smaller. I can move it, though. All right, let's just move it. Because that's nothing but our order block. So I'm going to just get rid of it. Boom. I think so. All right, delete. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. Do we have a reason to be looking for a trade? Let's look at it. Let's look at it. What zone did I just delete? Bro, this shit is lagging. Why isn't it moving, bro? Okay. Look at this, man. This is why I run multiple charts on my screen, y'all. Y'all know that? I don't think y'all know that. That was a little free tip from the algorithm learning. I run multiple charts on my screen. So I have the 15 over here, 5 in the middle, the 1 on the right at all times. So I can literally see, so I ain't got to go through no different time frames. But all right, y'all, so let's say, cool. You see an order block right here, right? We're looking for a reason to buy, confirmation that is not going down, right? Right? So if we see price break over, break structure here, pull back to structure here, respect it, make a new high here, right? When it makes a new high, that made this block valid, that made this block valid, and that made this block, order block, valid, right? But the whole mindfuck is nobody knows which block. Usually it's the deepest block, but not every time, right? It's usually never the first, but I can't say that because sometimes it is. So it's really a mindfuck. So it's really, you really wait. If these are close, you just kind of wait. And if it rejects here, you kind of wait for a break of structure reason and take a trade right here. Boom, you know what I'm saying? Some people are so caught up on getting the smallest stop loss in the world. Oh, I got a 2 pip stop loss. Oh, I got a 1 pip stop loss. Oh, but how many times does that stop loss get hit though? That's stupid to me. I think that's stupid, right? I'm gonna enter here with a 1 pip stop, and I'm gonna enter here with a 1 pip stop, and it hits both, and it still goes your way. That's just stupid. Is this camera on me? Cause that's stupid. What R. Kelly say? But no, let me check it. So cool. So we waiting for confirmation for this to be a buy, right? We get our structure break 1, we get our structure break 2, right? So then we start marking off our order blocks. I don't trade order blocks, but I want to be aware of them because if it stops here and goes up, it's probably continuing up. But if it melts through this and melts through this, where are we going? We're probably going down, plain and simple. So when they run a high or run a low, I'm going on the other side aggressively, plain and simple. That's kind of almost my style. Not everything, but that's, you know what I mean? So many questions. I'm asking you questions. Like, what are your goals? All right, here we go. So we get a breaker structure. We get price coming back to our order block, right? So boom, we get this breaker structure, right? We get our moving average broken across, right? So now we have confirmation. We get our broker structure. We got our breaker structure for the upside. We get our order block. We get our break and retest for this structure. Everything's lining up. Our algorithm level is up in here too. So when you learn the algorithm levels, this ain't nothing but a level break, pull back, stop loss is down here somewhere, take profit smash. Plain and simple. So yeah, get that algorithm learning. I'm telling you, that's the secret to your success. But look, and check me out. So we're going to wait for the break. Boom. So now we start looking for the same thing, y'all. Break. When they break a structure, I start putting my highs here. When they break a structure, I start putting my highs here. When they break a new high, I start putting my arrows here. I want a visual of everything, okay? I want a visual of everything. So this is my high. So if price is going to really be a strong trend, it's going to hold above this level and hold it. Plain and simple. That's it. So, right? So now we're doing our thing. Let's go back to our 1 minute chart. Now that we done did our full higher time frame analysis, now we can go down to the 1 minute and get the best entry using one of the strategies. Meaning there's a couple different entries. There's predict a reversal from here to here, which is too small, so that doesn't make sense, right? Or there's the break, pull back, wait for the moving average, but wait for structure, wait for order block. See this? If you zoom in right here, nasty. See, right? So this is the last push before it broke a new high right here. This is the last push before it broke a new high right here, right? This push, pull back, and this push broke this high, and it also broke this high, right? So what do? We put a block on that red candle all the way across. Where is it at? I can't really see it. A little bit higher. But right there. That's about right. So pretty much, boom. You see that? So there's our reason for price to pull back. So when we enter a pullback on the moving average, right? Now we got confirmation. Okay, this is the order block. We got a break and pullback, break and retest of the structure, right? Stop loss at the recent low, right? And then boom. Take profit smash. I say take it to the next algorithm level, right? But if you don't know what the algorithm level is, dude, this shit's lagging. I take it to the next, I take it to the high. I take it to another high, right? So technically, you could have ate all the way up here. You could have ate good all the way up here, technically. But that's like a swing trade, but I'm not holding that bitch that long. 25 pips, 36 pips is plenty for me. I'm getting out at 25 pips. I'm getting out at 20 pips. I'm getting out at 10 pips. Bro, I don't care, bro. I'm not here to catch every pip in the world, bro. I'm not here to catch every pip in the world, bro. I'm not here to catch every pip in the world. So, y'all, I think the verdict is profit or drop it, I think the verdict is profit. This strategy is profitable. You just got to have a set amount of rules. It can be done. The 50 EMA, the 200 EMA, Death Cross is a profitable strategy. You know what I'm saying? But one trade a day, not taking every fucking trade you see. Come on, man. You got to have a criteria. Same thing. We was on the 30-minute chart. But I really like this shit for reversals for real because look at the reversals. When price, all right, so let's say price is down very deep on a trend, and these moving averages are very spaced out, I would look for reversals up to the moving average. And 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10, who fucking knows, is going to blow past your moving average if you got patience. It blows past your moving average 8 out of 10, 7 out, don't quote me, I don't know the percentage. But most of the, you know what I'm saying, sometimes, even today, it broke through. Now, this shit could have easily tanked right here, too. So that's why I always say, man, have a strategy. Stick to step 1, step 2, step 3. Take profit where you said you was going to take profit. Don't move your take profit, bro. Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? So, profit or drop it. The 50, 200 EMA Deadly Cross will have to be a profit from me. Man, let's get it. This is the end of the stream. Let's do it. Y'all go check out the website, tradewithbruce.com. You know what I'm saying? Go get the algorithm learning. Go get the VIP trade room if you want to take the same trades as me every day. Go follow my Instagram. I post stuff on my story, free game and stuff like that, right? So, let's get it.